When I got my hands on this little painted bobbin table, I knew it would be so nice restored, but then it took me a whole year to do it, and here's what happened. The first thing I did was try to use paint stripper to remove as much paint as I could. It was so satisfying to see that paint just peeling off, but I realized there were so many layers underneath, so I gave my heat gun a try. I have to say, I was so sad when I stripped the top of the table and it literally just fell apart because it was made of plasterboard. But that didn't stop me. I just kept working on the legs, and I decided to use my trusty wire brush attachment, which I attached to the drill and applied all over the legs. I was so happy to see that working really well, but then I accidentally broke it. Luckily I had a quick fix, which was to drill a hole in the base and the leg and then use dowel and wood glue to fix it. Once I was back on track, I really wanted to finish the wood really well, and I knew I would have to hand sand. I tried out this hack of putting tape on the back of sandpaper and cutting it into strips. I also wrapped a roller sponge in some sandpaper, and that worked too. To replace the top, I just grabbed a timber panel and cut it into a hexagon. One of the final steps was to stain the piece. I wanted a warm wood tone, so I used Prooftint by Fee Watson in Old Baltic. For the top, I wanted some darker tones to match the base, so I also added in some brown Japan. The final step was to do a coat of satin varnish for the whole piece to protect it and also give it a nice shine. Once that was dry, I just screwed the top to the bottom, and honestly, this project has been the biggest roller coaster, but I'm so happy with the result. I really thought this piece would be so nice restored, and I'm not disappointed.